I remember praying to God, asking Him to give me the love that I always prayed for. The love that feels like home. The love that is right. And the love that I no longer need to pretend. And God answered.
Balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagbabalik ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
When did it end? All the enjoyment. I'm sad again. Don't tell my boyfriend it's not what he's made for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday
You are my love, you are my life, you are my everything I need. I give you my heart, I give you my soul, in every way.
for this child I have prayed, and you heard my cry. For this baby I had faith, and you gave new life. In this moment now I pray, and I vow to you this day.
Your little hands wrapped around my finger, and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Your little eyelids flutter 'cause you're dreaming, so I tuck you in, turn on your favorite nightlight. To you, everything's funny. You got nothing to regret. I'd give all I have, honey, if you could stay like that. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you.
You're all that I've needed, complete in my world. You're my love, my life, my beginning.
You only have a newborn for 8 short weeks. Then they will never be this little again. Though the stage is stressful and exhausting, try to enjoy the fleeting moments before they are gone. There will be things you will miss and things you won't miss about it, and that's okay. Just remember, it's not meant to be easy. It's meant to be a season.
I know they won't remember this. They're too little. but I will. I know that the same moments that they are never going to remember,
Ikaw ang tanging dahilan sa pagising ko.
Sunlight comes creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we did. It made me think of you, it made me.
You're all that I've needed, completing my world. You're my love, my life, my beginning.
Ikaw? Oo. Nasaan ikaw? Oo nga, Ruth. Oo. Madaldal ikaw. Madaldal ka. Oo, madaldal. Oo, ang daldal. Arte mo. Tignan mo yung damit mo, oh. Paling-paling na. Kalikutan mo. Tama na. Abili. Ah.
Dali na. Naku, ng arte. Kyler. 1, 2, 3. Dali. Kyler. Poo. Bye-bye. Kyler, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kyler. Shh. Shh, Kyler, bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, Kyler. Kyler, bye-bye. Shh, Kyler. Kyler, get it. Shh. Kyler. Hoy. Aba talaga tong bata.
Such a new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak, 'cause if my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to rock it. I go.
Look at this. Perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Chris! I know, it's my dream. I have goosebumps.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held.
Can you say Rara? Dada. Dada. Grandma. Pagi ka ng packing tape. Grandpa. All done.
jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping down the dock. That was so much fun. Great job. Potty. Hi, bird! Hi, Chicken!